Okay, in this session, we're going to use the path tool to trace an object. So let's open up the image. Here we'll zoom in so that we are able to work more closely. So press spacebar to move the document around, right? Okay, click your path tool. So what is the shortcut for path? It is B. So I'll start around here, right? So what I'll do is, first I'll click, and then you'll see an anchor point. Then I'll go to the next point. So this is based on your own judgment. So maybe I'll start from here. Okay, I'll click, but I will not release my mouse button. Okay, I'll look at the line here. Okay, it's not quite aligned to the edge. So what I'll do is, as I'm still clicking the mouse, I'll drag forward. And as I drag forward, you notice that the handlebars are pulled out. And I can actually adjust the handlebars accordingly. Then once I'm happy with this, then I'll let go. Alright? Okay, press my spacebar again to move to the next point. Okay, probably I'll choose here. So again, click. As you can see, the line is not aligned properly again. So what I'll do, as I'm still holding on to the click, I'll pull forward, then I'll let go. Okay. Next, click, pull, let go. Click, pull, let go. Okay. At this point here, I'll probably won't pull because the direction is going to change. So I'll just click once here, then I'll click another time here, then I'll pull. Right? So what happens when you want to adjust any of the previous points? So I can click on the previous anchor point, then I can do my adjustment accordingly. But remember, if you want to continue with your path, you need to go back to the last anchor point. Okay? If not, this is what will happen. So, example, you went back to the second last. So you think you are continuing, right? So what happens when you click? These 2 points are not joined up. Alright? So that's why when you make a selection, your lines go crazy. So click on this. Okay, backspace or delete. Okay, go back to your last anchor point. How do you know whether you're at the last one? Okay, when it's selected, it is transparent. Right? So now that you're at the last point, you can continue to your path. Click, drag, release. Okay, click, drag, release. So on and so forth. Okay, so I'll do my selection quickly. Okay, I need to adjust this previous one again, so I will click the handlebar to adjust. Okay, go back to the last one. Click, drag, click, drag, click, drag, click, drag. Okay, click, drag. Click, drag. Click, drag. Alright, we're almost finishing the selection. So remember, how do you close a path? Okay, this is your last anchor point, this is your first one. So go over to the first one. Don't click on it yet. Press the Control key. you'll see the icon change. Once you see that, then you can click, and then the whole thing will be joined, right? Okay, so if I want to zoom out, okay, see what happens here. Once you change to the zoom tool, right, or any other tool from the path tool, you'll notice that your path has disappeared. Okay, don't worry about this. Your path is not gone, okay? Under your window palette here, under layers channels, this is the path window. So as you click it, you should see the path is still there. So how do you see it again? Just click on the left hand side to reveal the eye icon, and then you will see your path again. Okay, so change to your path tool again, B. Okay, click on it, click on the path again, then you will get back your path. Alright, so how do you make a selection from a path? There are two ways you can do this, right? You can, when you're still inside the path tool, you can click on the button here called selection from path. So if I click it, you should see there's a selection here, right? Let me undo that.